Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Sagittarius placements. This is your general and love reading bago mag-end ang March. So, check natin kung ano pa ba ang meron, ang mga darating. Okay, so syempre before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, again, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, message lang po kayo sa akin pong FB page na Fias Tarot. Okay, and if you're interested na magpa-reading kay Perception of Light, message nyo lang din siya sa kanya pong FB page. And sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po. Okay? So, pagdating sa ating mga items, available. Yung ating protection from evil eye, love bracelet, yung ating cord cutting, and yung ating granter necklace. Yes. Okay. So, what's for you in general, Sag, bago mag-end ang March? Anong meron for Sagittarius placements? In general, the Queen of Swords in reversed, the Emperor in reversed. Ano tong mga kinakatakutan na to? Four of Wands. Meron kayong kailangan ilaban dito, mga Sag. Decision din. Pagdating sa family, maybe issues around family, legal. Okay, may mga ganyang legal. And connections. The Wheel of Fortune in reversed. Hindi sinasabi na matakot ka kung nagawa mo na lahat, kung nagawa mo na yung mga dapat mong gawin, action, kung ano man. Meron ako nakikita ditong energy about Four of Wands, which is talking about long-term or stability. So, siguro, kung ano man yung mga dapat ninyong aksyonan na, iwasang katakutan, well, mas okay kung gagawan nyo na ng paraan na i-fix or ayusin or harapin. Parang ganyan. I don't know. This is sabihin natin para mas maging strong ka in general. Okay? Hindi ka magiging strong kung ikaw itong parang, ay, ayoko yan. Okay? So, pwedeng sa workplace, pwedeng sa career mo, or sa family, connections, relasyon. Mga ganyan. Okay? So, what else? Sag. Page of Cups. Ace of Swords. Some of you, makakuha ka ng isang mensahe or sabihin nating message na pwedeng naglalaman ng mga emosyon. Okay? I don't know if this message will trigger you, will provoke you, mga ganyan. Basta meron siyang nilalaman na emosyon or pwedeng something na makaka-trigger sa'yo. Okay? Somebody wants to pursue you. What's with this? Meron ding gustong mag-sorry. Could be an air sign or water. Your past, maybe. Your past. Your ex. They're stalking you. Some of them, they will give you subtle hints, signs na nandyan sila, like magpaparamdam. This is not love read. So, kung anong meron, connections na pwedeng resurface bago mag-end ang March. Okay? So, what else? I'm seeing here get together with a friend na matagal mo nang hindi nakita or nakasama or nakausap. Somebody. So, what else? The Ace of Cups. There's this new love interest. New love? Yeah, what's with that? Justice. Some of you will enter the next level. Oo, pagdating sa relasyon, maybe. Meron ako nakikita ritong marriage. Yeah, this is general. So, kung ano ang ating makikita yun. Meron ako nakikita ditong court. Meron ditong kasalang bayan. Ako nakikita. Okay? Ikakasal sa judge. Sa huwes. Yun, mga ganun. Meron ako nakikita ang ganyan. Pagdating sa'yo. Sa inyo, mga Sagittarius. Okay? Anong meron dito sa Ace of Cups? Yeah, the Page of Pentacles. May mag-start. Some of you, if this is talking about legal matter, pwedeng merong mag-grant. Pwedeng merong may ayos na connection or mag-grant like divorce, annulment, whatsoever. Okay? So, yeah. Like, magkakaroon ka na ng peace of mind. Something like that. Okay, so there. Yun ang akin nakikita bago mag-end ang March for some of you. So, let's see, ano bang meron when it comes to love? When it comes to love, okay, na mga Sagittarius, bago mag-end ang March, anong meron? Okay. The Nine of Wands. Strength. Guarded. You have to guard yourself from a Leo or a fire sign like you. Why? Yeah, the Eight of Swords. Hindi kanila bibigyan ng clarity or vulnerability. Hindi mo makikita sa kanila yung transparency like that. So, you have to guard yourself from them. Whether kung ano man ang zodiac nito. Okay? Kailangan magkaroon ng healthy boundaries pagdating sa mga tao, sa mga gustong kumonek na hindi mo malaman ang intention or emosyon. You have to set healthy boundaries. Yeah, the King of Cups in reverse. Sa pamamagitan ng hindi rin pagbibigay ng emosyon. Okay? Doon mo lang syempre masasagip or sabihin natin mapoprotektahan yung sarili mo. Okay? From getting hurt. Yeah. What else? Seven of Wands in reverse. The Four of Wands. Parang meron ditong nananamlay na or nananawa. So maybe this is like an energy of one-sided connection. Somebody's controlling the other person. Like that. Yung parang wala ka ng boses, wala ka ng K, no, pagdating sa connection maybe. Yeah, the Knight of Pentacles. Kailangan mo ring magmatigas dito. Sa totoo lang. Kung kailangan mo lumayo, lumayo ka. Queen of Cups in reverse. The Nine of Cups in reverse. This is peace of mind. Healthy boundaries, yeah. Okay. Meron ditong earth sign na parang nafo-fall out of love na or na, ang tawag dyan, sabihin nating gusto na niyang madaliin. Kasi hindi na makapaghintay. No? Hindi niya hahayaan na parang dumating pa sa punto na parang mawalan na siya ng gana. So, it's like, okay, I'm gonna make actions na. Parang ganyan. Kasi pwedeng yes, kung papabayaan ko tong ganitong sitwasyon, parang hindi nagkakaroon ng growth or what. Hindi man lang nag-step up or nagle-level up. Parang ganyan, yeah. I think somebody will take action. Okay? Some of you, pwedeng LDR or magka-message, magka-chat lang kayo maybe nitong taong to. You're like living far away. Oo. From each other. There's distance. No? Pwedeng somebody will travel papunta sa'yo. Or pwedeng ikaw ito papunta sa kanya. Something like that. I don't know why. Okay. What else when it comes to love? Or, yeah. The Six of Pentacles in reverse. One-sidedness. Not being open. Saying no for some of you. Yeah. Ooh. Anong meron dito? Some of you, you'll reject a love offer. Bago mag-end ang March. You will reject a love offer. Why? Why? Diba sa inyo, alam mo sa sarili mo na kung ikaw itong nasa one-sided connection, ang dami mo nang sinasayang. So, wag mo nang hayaang may masayang pa. Okay? Yeah, the Four of Pentacles. Hold back. Yung alam mong nasasayangan ka na. Hold back. Okay? Meron din ditong energy na pwedeng earth sign or water sign na parang takot mag-express or magbigay ng love offer because they're like afraid of the rejection. They're afraid of the rejection. That's why they're holding back. Pwedeng nasa-sense mo to, nafe-feel mo na they're into you, they're like watching you. They're holding back because they're afraid of rejection maybe. Okay? Yeah, the Hermit in reverse. They don't know. Baka hindi ko pansinin, whatsoever. Like that. Okay? So, there. May makapansin kayong ganyan. So, energies. So, tayo tumungo na sa inyong love interest. Oo, yung the person on your mind, Sag. The person on your mind. Let's see. Who is this, Sag? Who is this person you're thinking? The Seven of Cups in reverse. Yung talagang best option. You see them as the best option or maybe vice versa or flip. Yeah, the Sun. Siya lang yung nakakakuha ng attention mo. Siya lang. Six of Cups. Kasi kanina mababanggit ko 6, so ito pala siya. Nasa ilalim. Some of you, this is a past person. Still. Napapasaya ka nito. Napapangiti ka. Or pwedeng vice versa. What you need to know? Anong kailangan malaman sa situation sa ngayon? Anong kailangan malaman ng mga Sag? Okay. The Knight of Wands. It's time. Oo, to take action. Yeah. Eto kung alam mo sa sarili mo na gusto nyo isa't isa, sinasabi dito, hoy, pagalawin na ang baso. Yes. The Knight of Wands. Yeah, the Eight of Wands. Yun nga lang, hindi pa totally nagkakaroon ng magandang communication or sabihin natin wala pang komunikasyon yung iba sa inyo. Okay? this person, itong nakikita ko rito, pwedeng nakukuha niya yung attention mo or ikaw nakukuha niya yung attention. Parang ganyan, no? So, andun yung parang every time makikita mo tong taong to, okay ka na. Like, buo na yung araw mo. Parang ganon. Ang nakukuha ko lang dito, pagdating sa situation, there's this blockages. There's blockages. So, kulang sa action, mga Sag. This is you, the Knight of Wands. That's your energy. Parang ikaw, kulang ka sa action. Suplado ka ba? Or something like, pwedeng there's this age gap, age difference pagdating sa inyo, and nakaka-intimidate lang yung energy mo. We have here the Empress. So intimidating. Yeah, the Ace of Cups, naka-reversed. If ever na may communication na dito, hindi pa talaga masabi yung talagang dapat sabihin. There's blockages. I don't know. There's ano eh. Let's see. Bakit? Anong problem dito? What's the blockages? What's the blockage? What's with the Eight of Wands in reverse? The Five of Cups. Oh my God. Is somebody talagang may pinag-move onan pa? Or kakalabas lang sa isang connection? So maybe, kaya siguro hindi agad-agad nagda-dive, no, dito sa sitwasyon na to. Kasi pwedeng, ayaw natin na masabing rebound lang. The Two of Cups. Somebody still attached. The Tower. Separation. Okay? The Devil in reverse. Yeah. Kaya pala. So, parang, ayoko muna, no? Alam ko, kakalabas lang ito sa isang relasyon, kakabreak lang yan. Baka mamaya, ganto, ganyan. Yes. Pwedeng yun, oo. Some of you. That's specific. That is why. Itong taong to. Or maybe, ikaw itong ganon, Sag. And yun ang tingin niya sa'yo. Or feeling ng taong to, mas okay na ng ganito. Kaysa naman magsabi ako ng totoo, nararamdaman ko. Parang ganyan. Mas masaya na to, like flirt-flirt lang, or talaga namang playtime lang, parang ganyan. Walang aminan muna. Mas maganda mas masaya. Parang ganon. Aminin nyo. Aminin nyo. Diba? Oo. So, let's see. Kasi may tension na, no? Every time na mayroon ng umaamin. May tension. Oo. Comment down below. Tingnan natin. What is their emotion right now? Their emotion. Yeah, the King of Wands. Yeah, they really like you. They're really into you. They're passionate. Yeah. King of Wands. That's you again. The King of Cups in reverse. Yeah. Some of you, same gender. Same gender kayo. Talaga naman, magkasama kayo palagi nito, no? Parang, pero hindi nagsasabihan ng talagang nasa sa loob. Ay, yes. Oo. Masaya nga naman, no? Yung parang kilig-kilig lamang. Oo. Anyway, so medyo light lang itong nakikita nating connection or light lang na energies, no? Okay. Yeah. Eight of Pentacles, the Three of Cups. Mas masaya kami every time na nagkakasama kami sa workplace, magkaklase, magkasama sa isang lugar every day, something like that, gym, whatsoever. Okay? Masaya to. Kaysa naman mag-aminan ka, umamin ako. Mamaya, hindi niya pala ako gusto. Mga ganong bagay. Pero yes, andun yung magnetic. Oo, namamagnet kayo sa isa't isa. There's this chemistry. Diba? May chemistry. Oo, so tingnan natin anong next action. They like you. Yeah, emotion, they like you, pero they're like holding back their emotion, their real, true emotion. The King of Cups in reversed. Maybe they're not ready. Pero they like you. Yeah. So, their next action towards you, Sag. The Ace of Wands. Ooh. Oh. Oh. That is what? Some of you, that's sex. Yeah. Itong taong to excited lagi makita ka. Sa totoo lang. They're really, really, really excited. Ace of Wands. The Knight of Swords in reversed. Ano itong Knight of Wands in reversed? Yeah, the Ace of Pentacles. Parang may mag-start dito. Talaga. It's like ang tawag dyan, casual lang, pero alam mo na, may something na, flirt, whatsoever. Ang mahirap dito is merong maa-attach doon sa isa, kahit hindi pa totally nagsasabihan ng emosyon. What's the potential outcome? May chance to na totally mag-offer ng connection. This is like ligawan. Outcome, potential outcome pagdating sa inyo. The Seven of Swords in reversed and the Queen of Swords in reversed. This is being open. Andun na yung energy about lagpas na sa friends. Opo. Alam mo na yun, like medyo na yung usapan. Oo. Pwedeng SPG na yung usapan. Parang ganyan. No? Okay? Anyway. Wala akong nakikita pang label dito. Yun nga lang. Wala pa akong nakikitang label. So, wag muna masyadong ma-attach if ever. Yeah, the Justice. The Three of Pentacles. This is, sabihin nating the Ten of Cups. Pareho kayong masaya sa kung anong sitwasyon meron man sa inyo. Nagkakaintindihan kayo, balanse. Yun nga lang, parang kulang na lang is yung maging kayo. Parang ganyan. Pero yun nga, somebody is not ready. Okay, not ready. Yeah, see the Six of Pentacles in reverse. You can't demand sa ganitong sitwasyon. Sabi ko nga, wag kang ma-attach. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-demand dito. Kasi hindi naman kayo. Itong taong to, itong kakonek mo na to, Sag. Nagdadalawang isip yan. Kung siya ba ay totally magsasabi na gusto ka, makarelasyon ka, whatsoever. Trap to Magulo pa ang utak. Yung iba po sa kanila kasi may chance meron pang past. Okay? So, ang maganda dyan na nakikita ko pagdating sa plano nila is hindi totally magbigay ng label. Kasi kung ganito rin naman yung nakikita ko, open. Parang kayo na rin naman. So, bakit pa? Okay? Be careful. Kung alam nyo yung person na to is kalalabas lang sa isang connection. 3 months. Yeah, be careful. Nagdadalawang isip pa yung tao. So, kung hindi pa siya totally ready na talagang magsabi na okay, we have to level this the situation sa second level, third, fourth, fifth, mga ganyan. Kapag hindi pa siya handa sa ganun din, alam mo na, huwag ka ma-attach hanggat kaya. Okay? Yes. Kayanin. Yun nga lang, mahirap, no? O, kung ganyan din naman yung nararamdaman ninyo, eh. Nararamdaman mo dun sa tao. Yun nga lang, ang hirap. O, diba? Anyway. So, Aries through Pisces. For you, Sag. Aries through Pisces. For Sagittarius placements. Aries, they want to release, they want to be free, something like that. Some of them gusto nilang gumawa ng action. Taurus, they're sad, upset. Gemini, they want commitments. Cancer, you're their wish fulfillment, they like you. Leo, immature. Some of them, they're not ready. Virgo, they like you. They want to hear from you. Some of them. Libra, they're open. Some of them may bibigay sa'yo. May bibigay si Libra sa'yo. Or maybe they're letting you go. Scorpio, they need you. They really, really need you. Sagittarius, stability. They want long-term connection. Capricorn, acceptance. Changes. Aquarius, no actions coming from them. Pisces, there's this collaboration or understanding, good cooperation. Parang ganyan. So, some of you, meron ditong third party involved. Yeah. Pag-uusap, pwedeng may mangyaring ganyan. So, yun po, no, yung aking reading for you, Sagittarius placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page and yung ating second YouTube channel na Love Letter. Nasa description box below. Thank you! Bye!